We're gonna use 1 pound of already peeled and deveined frozen shrimp. I think I got this for about $7. We're gonna use a package of 3 bell peppers. I think this was about $3. 1 onion, some spices. I think total ingredients cost around 15 bucks. And this should make about 4 servings, so enough for about 4 people to have a meal. So I'm gonna get a few things prepped and then we'll check back. Hi everyone, my name is Dana. I'm one of the nutritionists at Neighborhood Health Center, and I'm going to show you today how to make quick and easy sheet pan shrimp fajitas. This is going to be a great recipe for when you want a tasty, healthy meal, but you don't want to spend a lot of time cooking. All right, so I prepped my ingredients and we are ready to go. My oven is set at 450 degrees and I have 2 baking sheets that have been sprayed with cooking spray. I made my spice mix. It's very simple, just a half a teaspoon each of garlic powder, onion powder, smoked paprika, and cumin. I sliced up my peppers and my onions and I defrosted my shrimp by running it under cold water, okay? So all I have to do is mix all these ingredients together, throw it in the oven, and it's gonna cook for 10 minutes while I go and do other things. I'm gonna put my shrimp in my bowl. Here, I'm going to put my onions, breaking them all up. I'm gonna put my peppers. So I'm gonna get a nice protein in this recipe from the shrimp and some good non-starchy veggies, which don't raise my blood sugar and give me a lot of good fiber from the peppers and onions. Gonna put in the spice mixture, and I'm gonna add about 1.5 tablespoons of olive oil. And now just gonna mix it up. And if you've got kids at home, you can absolutely include them in the dinner prep process by having them mix. They could defrost the shrimp. If they're a little older, they could help slice things up. Okay, so I've got everything prepared here, my shrimp, my peppers, my onions, spices, and oil. I'm just gonna spread it on the cooking sheets and I'm gonna put it in the oven for 10 minutes. I am going to toss it halfway through. All right, so simple. This is just gonna dirty up 2 sheets. It's gonna make my evening a lot more simple. All right, so here I have my shrimp, peppers and onions, spices and oil. I ended up cooking for 15 minutes at 450 degrees just to get it a little bit more crispy. And I'm just going to slide it into 2 flour tortillas here and going to top it with a little bit of hot sauce and a little bit of light Mexican blend cheese. And that's gonna be my meal. So I'm getting a healthy protein from the shrimp, some veggies here from the peppers and onions, and a balanced amount of healthy carbs from my tortillas here. So see how easy it was just to mix it up, throw it on a sheet pan and throw it in the oven. Quick dinner meal for a weeknight or a busy time. Hope you enjoy at home.